Hello everyone, my name is Shirley Ong and I'm a WileyPLUS student partner at Centennial College. And today I'll be showing you on how to use WileyPLUS in order to prepare for final exams. So just a little info about me. I'm taking up a 2-year program in business accounting and have used WileyPLUS in Accounting 112 and 221 courses. And will also be using WileyPLUS in the future as well. My hobbies includes traveling to new and exciting places. So to start the presentation, here are some of the resources or tools that can help you and guide you in preparing for final examinations. These are the Read and Study Practice resources, assignment tabs, and reviewing the gradebook resources. And I'm going to show you on how each of these tools work in WileyPLUS. So first is how to use the Read, Study, and Practice tab in Wiley. Of course, the first thing that you will do is to read the textbook or through online in Wiley because you want to familiarize with the content and be able to solve some practice questions at the end of each chapter. You may also want to watch the tutorial or some workout solutions if you're having some difficulties in each chapter. So in order to access this tool, just go to your specific course in Wiley and go to Read, Study, and Practice tab right over here. After clicking it, there's a scroll down bar under the contents and you can look for any chapters that you can access and just click on those. So Wiley makes it really easy to find the chapters that you're looking for, specifically that you can go back and through. And like I said, in each of the chapter, there are some self-study questions, brief exercises, or problems throughout the text that you could work on with after reading the material. In that way, you can practice and learn more in preparing for an examination. So aside from the self-study questions, still under the Read, Study, and Practice tab, just scroll down a little bit and you will find some more interactive workout problems to practice on before you go on to the next chapter. So after clicking the Before You Go On under the Practice, you'll find a lot of brief exercises here that you can practice around and try to answer some of them. There are so many of this and you can choose any of these brief exercises that you might want to practice. So here, I'm going to show you on how this works in answering one brief exercise under this tool. Upon clicking one of these, you'll be able to see some of the blank text boxes that you must answer. Just solve some of the problems and fill in the blank text box with the correct answer. So after solving a problem, just click the Check Answer button right over here. And as you can see, there's a green with the correct answer and a red with the wrong answer. Also, there's a show solution on how it came up, and some show answers to how it's been shown in the problem. So Wiley really makes it easy for you to understand on how the problem's been solved with this cool feature. So the next thing is on how to use the assignment tab in order to prepare for final examinations. The first thing that you would do is to work on your assignments from time to time on a regular basis before due date. And another thing is that you can also do in helping you study is that under this tab, you can link some relevant text sections and go back and review sequentially with your assignment problems. So the first thing that you would do is to click onto Assignment tab and click onto a specific assignment you want to access with. You can see here the settings that is already set by your professor and has a due date in it. So be prepared and answer them in advance so that you can have some time in reviewing them later on. So let's just say that there's an upcoming examination and you might have lost the paper that you did on your work, or you just forgot on how to do the problem. You can click the Show Solution button in order to see a complete workout solution of the desired problem. And also, if you want to find some relevant text sections that you really don't know which problems to pair up with what chapter, there's this Link to Text button that you can click in order to access the text that's relevant to the problem, and it's really good for reviewing as well. And so the last thing is how to use Gradebook in WileyPLUS. This is helpful other than just to look at your grades. It really is a good way to go back to what you did in your assignments and tests, and to also practice on where you need some improvements. So when you click on to Gradebook, you'll see all the chapters that you've done, and that includes assignments and tests. Just click on to the specific chapter that you would want to go through. And upon clicking it, you can actually see the breakdown of all the exercises that you've done, the points you got, where and what questions you got wrong, how many attempts that you have made, and other useful information. You can click on to specific problems that you got wrong, and by seeing these little score breakdowns, you can see where you've had the most mistakes that you would want to improve on. And so by following these tips on how to use resources in WileyPLUS, it will help you in achieving an A+ in your exams and even on your finals without having to worry in studies. WileyPLUS makes it really easy for you in everything that you need, and all you have to do is to just practice and review. That's it for today, and again, my name is Shirley Ong, a WileyPLUS student partner, and I'm here to help if you need assistance on WileyPLUS. You can email me at song5@my.centennialcollege.ca. Thank you for allowing me to present this, and good luck on preparing your upcoming examinations.